Hello, this is Steve at Hydrogen for Health. First off, I want to thank you for purchasing our hydrogen water bottle. If you purchased this on Amazon, please consider leaving us a review. A 5-star review is much appreciated. If you feel like you need to leave anything less than 5 stars, please contact us and we'll help you through any problems that you have. Okay, let's get right to this how-to video. When you receive your bottle, it'll be in a package just like this. I'm going to go ahead and open the package and take out the contents. This contains the charger and charging cable. Here is our base cap. Finally, the hydrogen water bottle. And a set of instructions. Go ahead and read through these instructions. If you have any questions, please contact me. When you get your bottle, you'll see that there are some things inside. We're going to go ahead and take the cap off and take this packet out. This contains an extra gasket and an adapter ring for using plastic water bottles. In the bottom, you'll notice that there is a clear plug. We're going to remove that. To detach the glass, just grab the base with one hand and the glass from the top and turn the glass counterclockwise. You'll be able to screw the glass right off. And go ahead and pull this tab and remove this plastic plug. Now we're going to go ahead and put the glass back on. Before you do anything, you're going to want to put some water in this and fully charge it. Now the reason why we put the water in is because the membrane in the bottom needs to be completely saturated with water. So we put the water in, put the cap on. We'll go ahead and take out the charger. This charger can be used with 120 volts all the way up to 240 volts, so this could be used in any country. It does have a North American style plug on it, so you need to get an adapter if you wanted to use this charger. No worries though. The cable is a USB cable. You can plug it into a computer, a power pack, or anything that uses USB. You can even use your cell phone charger to plug this into. So let's go ahead and plug it in. The cable plugs right into the USB charger. We'll plug the charger into the wall. On the back of the bottle, you'll see a cover. Pull this cover down to access the charging port. When the bottle is in use and you're not charging, you want to always make sure you cover the port. This will keep any water from getting into the electronics. So go ahead and plug in the power cable. It can only be oriented one way. While it's charging, you'll see a red light blinking. When it's done charging, the red light will go out. Now you're going to want to leave this water in here for 24 hours to saturate the membrane. After the 24 hours, you can go ahead and use the bottle. It should take approximately 2 to 2.5 hours to fully charge the bottle. When the bottle is charged and you've waited 24 hours, to start the process, go ahead and press the button once. You'll see a blue light come on. This is the 5-minute setting. You'll begin to see hydrogen bubbling up from the bottom of the bottle. After 5 minutes, you'll hear a warning beep and the light will go out. This means it's done. Pushing the button twice will put you into the 7-minute cycle. You'll see a green illuminated button there. The cycle will run for 7 minutes and then you'll hear an audible warning or a beep when it stops. If you need to turn off the bottle, you can go ahead and press the button one more time and it will stop the process. Now when the cycle's done, you can go ahead and remove the cap and drink the water. From time to time you might get a little bit of wastewater from the process. What you do to empty the wastewater is you take this bottom section off. If there's any water in there, you go ahead and dump it out. If there's no water in there, that's okay. That means it's working properly. At the beginning you might see a little bit more wastewater, then after the bottle's been used several times you'll see that there's little to no wastewater in the bottom, and that's normal. Every 2 to 4 weeks you'll want to clean the bottle. Deposits will start to build up on the electrodes in the bottom and you'll want to clean that out. So the way to do that is to put about 1 inch of water in the bottom, about to here. And then you want to put in 1 to 2 teaspoons of citric acid. You can find citric acid at a cleaning supply, or Walmart carries citric acid. Put the top on. You're going to shake it up. And then you're going to let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, you simply just dump that water out in the sink, and you'll rinse out the bottle with clean water, and then it's ready to go. If you will be using your bottle for a while, you'll want to keep the membrane moist, so just put a little bit of water in the bottom of it. And put the cap on. And then you can go ahead and store it anywhere. That water in the bottom will keep the membrane nice and moist. This bottle also has the ability to attach drinking water bottles to it. Any these type of bottles that have this larger type 28mm cap will work. And then there's some glass bottles also that have a 28mm cap. To do that, you're going to want to take off the glass upper. In the bottom here there's a ring. Now this ring, you can attach different size bottles to it. Right now the 30mm ring is in it, and it'll be that way when you get it. To change that out to the 28mm ring, which is here with your gaskets, we'll go ahead and get that out. And your base cap here, your base cap acts as a screwing device. Go ahead and take it, put it in here where the 2 notches are, and then turn it counterclockwise. This will loosen up the ring. And then we'll install the 28mm ring by turning it clockwise. You want to get it tight, but don't over tighten it. Now you'll be able to attach plastic water bottles to the generator. Now for how long you'll need to run it for this bottle size, as a rule of thumb, if the bottle is 500 milliliters or smaller, you use 1 7-minute cycle. If it's 500 to 1000, which is 1 liter, you're going to want to use 2 7-minute cycles to charge the water. This base is very compact. If you want to take this with you when you're traveling, it's easy to do. Just grab your cap, base cap, tighten it on there, and you're ready to travel. Now wherever you're at, you can get yourself a drinking water bottle, and you can have hydrogen water wherever you go. This concludes this video on how to use your new hydrogen water bottle. I want to thank you again so much for choosing us, and please leave us a nice review. You can find more of our hydrogen products on www.hydrogen4health.com. Thanks for watching.